Hello, 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 hello! We are starting out now. Unfortunately, it's not good. The aliens have taken you and they've decided that they're going to use you as a musical instrument. It's really popular on their planet to play humans. Of course, there's some minor little problems about it. For one thing, they need to remove your bones, but, you know, they're experts. They probably have more experience in deboning a human than you do. Anyway, they're going to use you as a musical instrument. So, the question is, what kind of notes are they going to get? So, the first question is, assuming you're going to take your fundamental frequency, what will be the frequency of the note you get? So, in this case, your frequency is equal to the harmonic number times the velocity of the wave running through your body, and over 2 times your length. Well, let's just assume that since it's the fundamental frequency, n is 1, right? And the velocity, we're just going to assume for everybody, is 350 meters per second. Assume that, in your case, it's also 350 meters per second. I mean, human tissue is kind of, well, it's the same, isn't it? So, and if not, they can always kind of just stretch you and, you know, tune you until they get you the right thing. So my height is 1.9 meters. It's actually 1.90 meters. So, let's get started with the nasty stuff, okay? So, 350, so if I just do this here, well, the 1 can just take out. So the frequency will be 350 over 2 times 1.9 is 3.8. And then divide that, and I get the frequency is going to equal, in my case, 92 hertz, which, if memory serves, 92 hertz is about approximately, 92 hertz comes in at about, well, that would be a nice F sharp. So the frequency of my body will be 92 hertz, about F sharp, and if I needed a sound to go with that, here, let's see, what would it sound like? What would it sound like? Well, let's see. Like, what about, that sounds about right. So, that's what I'm going to sound like. You are probably, now, let's just think about you guys. I'm almost 2 meters tall. I'm a tall guy. So my L is pretty big here. You're going to be using the same fundamental frequency. You're going to be using the same velocity. But if you're shorter than me, L is going to be smaller, which means that you can expect a higher frequency note. So, unless you're taller than me, expect a higher frequency note, a little less bass, okay? Anyway, I'll see you later. Hope you escape from this alive.